Welcome back. Now, if you are using a platform such as JVZoo in order to take payments or administer your digital product, you'll want to set up that integration. And so to do that, you're going to click on top of this button. And then you're going to turn on your integration. And then you're going to want to turn on your integration. You'll notice that there is the API key. You're going to copy that API key. Now, in the advanced settings of your individual product, you're going to see that there is a link here for Add a Wishlist Member Integration. What you're going to do is you're going to tick this button, and then you're going to paste in your Wishlist Member API URL as well as the Wishlist Member API key. Now, when you're setting up an individual product, that's going to correspond with a specific level inside of your Wishlist Member installation. And so in this case, we're not going to complete the process. However, you now know how to integrate your Wishlist Member account with an individual product. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.